How to set up TP-Link WA850 via WPS. Step 1. Plug the extender into a power outlet next to your router. Wait for power and wireless indicator to start glowing solid together. Step 2. Press the button in the middle of the circle on your extender. Then take your router and find WPS button on its case. Press the WPS button on your router. And wait for connection. Once the signal indicator starts glowing, the extender is connected. To connect a device to your extended network, open Settings, select Wi-Fi, and find the network which is named the same as your main router but with AXT abbreviation at right. Keep in mind, this router is capable of expanding 2.4 GHz networks only. Tap on your network name with abbreviation and enter the same password as for your main router. Then hit Join at the top right and you're all set. To manage your extender, install TP-Link Tether application from App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app. Stay connected to your extender's Wi-Fi network. Accept the terms of use. Hit Continue. Allow to find devices on local networks. Hit I've already given local network permission. Create a TP-Link ID or log into your existing account. Allow or decline notifications. Skip two-step verification so far. Hit OK. Select your extender. Create administrator password. You have to enter at least 6 symbols. Confirm your password in the lower field. Tap Next. Tap anywhere on the screen to hide pop-up. Enjoy the application. Thanks for watching.